If you want to protect your home or business, you should get the best security camera with two-way audio. There is a wide range of one-way and two-way audio cameras produced by Camera World. A one-way camera doesn't allow you to interact with the person on the other side, while it is a good choice if you are satisfied with listening only. For interaction, you should opt for a camera featuring two-way audio, therefore provided with a speaker and a built-in microphone, just like an intercom. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Amcrest for MP. The Amcrest for MP security camera is one of the newest IP cameras with two-way audio to come onto the market, and it promises to be one of the most effective in terms of security. The fact that it uses an off-the-shelf imaging port means that it's easy to add additional remote security sensors, giving you a fully monitored home or business when you need it most. One of the major pros about this product is that the images it presents are clear and very detailed. There are no problems with motion sickness, and the camera is easy to install due to its compact size. For a family home, this is a great option to invest in since it is easy to install, has excellent picture quality, and comes with a long warranty. If you need a more extensive security system, the pros outweigh the cons for this reason. The two major disadvantages of this camera are the relatively high installation cost and the fact that it only allows viewing from people who use the internal cabling system. Number 2. Eufy 2K. Eufy Security 2K cameras with two-way audio have got the best suited features for indoor and low light conditions. If you want a fully functional, top-quality home app that offers a complete view of your property from every angle, then you will definitely want to look at this camera brand. In terms of the cons, perhaps the only thing to note is that the pricing of Eufy Security 2K might put some people off. On the other hand, its features, especially in terms of image stabilization and ease of use, make it a great choice for people who want the best indoor security cam available. It also offers a 2-year warranty, so you know that nothing is holding it back from performing brilliantly. Overall, this is a great choice for anyone looking for an indoor security cam with everything you would expect from one. Number 3. Heiser 2K. The Heiser 2K is one of the latest security camera systems with two-way audio available on the market. The Heiser 2K is the top-of-the-line security camera system because of its many features, ease of installation, and high-quality video recording. One of the best features of the Hiseeu 2K is that it can be directly installed into your window. This system has so many great features, and it is very easy to install into any window frame that you would like. One of the best parts of this system is the motion sensors, and they have very powerful motion detectors. The motion sensors are able to detect someone walking towards them at a certain speed, and they also detect people who travel at a certain speed as well. Another great feature of this security system is the time-lapse option. Number 4. YesKamo System. YesKamo security camera with two-way audio is one of the best choices to guard your home or company both night and day. This wireless video camera system that comes with 2x1080p motion sensor floodlight and 2x1080p standard video camera and an optional wireless 8ch NVR can be added as a complete 8ch CCTV system. The primary advantage is it gives complete coverage of the room it is installed in. Second, with Yesկamo security camera you do not have to worry about V interference, that is one of the biggest disadvantages of most security cameras. This camera are its two-way audio and video streaming system. With the two-way audio feature it can detect movement both in video and audio. Even if someone is not in front of the Yesկamo security camera, it will detect the motion and record the information. With two-way audio, the motion detection system works twice as fast, the result to doubling the security. Number 5. Eufy Security 2K Kit. The Eufy Security 2K kit comes with a DVR that can store up to 200 hours of recordings. There are digital video recorders, two-way audio recorders that can store about 100 hours as well, but they have different recording times and have other features that are not included in the Eufy Security 2K kit. This is a good option if you have a need for a security camera that will record for more than a few days. If you only want to record for a few hours at a time, then you would rather choose the lower quality models that come with less storage capacity. Eufy Security 2K kit offers many high-quality features that its lower-priced competitors do not. This includes an infrared illuminator that will allow you to see in dark places, a 16-point zoom for greater clarity, pan and tilt zoom, and a wide-angle lens. Number 6. LaView for PC. If you are looking at purchasing security cameras for your home or business premises, you will want to consider the Larvue Security Cameras for PC model. This brand offers a range of products, and this particular model is no exception. This security camera offers some exceptional features, and this means that it is ideal if you are looking for something more advanced and sophisticated when it comes to surveillance. What is great about this camera is that it does not only have great security features, but it also has some unique features, which means that it is perfect if you want to capture some fantastic images on film. The technology used by the Larvue security cameras with two-way audio is such that it can handle high-resolution imaging. One of the best features on this camera is the fact that it works with both PC and Mac, so you can choose the camera that best suits your requirements.